In this quick guide video, let me show you the way that you can back up your Telegram chats. If you want to have a backup of all of your chats that you have inside of Telegram, let me show you exactly on how it is done. Now, you cannot do this process using the mobile app of Telegram. You'll need to make sure that you download the desktop version. Once you're inside of the desktop app, click on these three lines on the top left and then head over to settings. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see a section called advanced. Inside of advanced, you need to scroll down again, and right here you'll have the option called export Telegram data. This way you'll be able to select the information that you want to export. If you only want to export chats, you can uncheck all of these options. If you do want to include photos or videos or any other media that you received or sent, make sure you check these options and then click on the export option on the bottom. This way it will start to analyze your data, and depending upon how much data you have, it may take some time. It says right here, for security reasons, you'll be able to begin downloading your data in 24 hours. So it will take 24 hours in order for you to actually download. So make sure you remember and come back to this section so that you can download this data later on. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to download your data inside of Telegram. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.